Hey, it's Chris again with C&H Auto Accessories coming from Margate, Florida. And before the rain comes, we're going to do this quick video. We have one of the best-selling small trucks out there, and we got a great value cover for it. But before we get started, that is our telephone number. So let's hurry up, John, before the rain comes down and gets us. What do? Well, we got here a rough country cover, and we did it on the Ford Maverik. Now, this actually belongs to Dave, by the way, who's John or General Manager's son. And Dave, as you know from our videos, is one of our guys who does installs and worked here, and he made quite a few videos. And he wanted this cover for his truck. And I gotta admit, as you know, we only have a couple videos with the rough country. But now that it's on Dave's truck, there's a lot of things that said that I like about this. Now normally, some of the less expensive covers I don't like because of how they attach, and there's so many things I just don't like about it. This one is a little different. I like this one. I think it looks really good. So before we get into how it functions, go ahead and, John, swing around here with the camera, take a good look on how this looks. I think this is a sharp looking cover. Again, this is the 3-fold. As you know, rough country does a 2-fold. This is going to have the 3rd fold. Now, I like the look of it because it doesn't match the truck bed caps. Has that OEM factory look, and it is a low profile that's going to sit in the bed. So it looks good. Now let's go into some of the functions of this here. Now, a lot of the cheap covers only have a opening mechanism on one side. This one does have both sides. So if you're on the driver's side or passenger side, you can open up. And why is that good? Well, if you pull off to the side of the road and you got a lot of traffic, you might want to get on the safer side of the passenger side. So that's the benefit of that. Now you look over here, it's got a couple seals here. Now the Maverik has the tailgate sits a little lower, so they put a little bigger seal on there. That's going to help. It also has a drainage system here, and some of the nicer covers have a good drainage system. Again, if any water passes the seal that comes here, it catches and drains it out, and I'll show you where that's at as well. So let's go and keep opening this up here. Again, I reach in here, and I'm pulling these here. I don't know if you can see that. Now, you can drive with this partially open or partially closed, depending on your point of view here. These right here, let's go ahead. That's going to go right into that little locking mechanism here, which I'm going to push this forward, and that will hold this in place. You do need to secure this. If you're on the highway, if you don't secure this, the wind will catch us and close it for you, and that will scare you. So make sure you always secure it. And again, when there's a non-use, you see this little spot here, it kind of holds in place so it's not hanging around here. Now, what I like about a good cover is that you have full access to the bed. And this does give you full access to the bed. So look over here. You can see this is your locking mechanism. Now, if you look, there is a space between the window and the cover. Now, what is nice about that is if you have something back here, you gotta love the big trucks. And you slam on your brakes, it will go and hit this and not your rear window. So it will protect your people in the back of your vehicle. Now I can see the rain coming down here. Well, we'll do our best here. So you do have 2 of these. I do recommend always use them both. I've seen people drive around here and they only have one, but you need both up here. Also, this is one of the few companies that gives you a second mechanism to lock it in place. So if this was ever come loose, you have this here. And if you look down here, now if people aren't familiar with it, the Maverik does come with a pre-made hole. This drainage system is using the existing hole, so we did not have to make a new hole in here, which is really nice. Another great feature about this one here, this one's got a 5-year warranty. Okay, is it going up? There we go. Sorry, still a little new for me. 5 years, a really good warranty. Now, if we put it in for you, you get a 1-year labor guarantee. So you get 5 years on the parts, and you get 1-year labor guarantee from us, C&H. Now, if you buy this and you want it shipped to anywhere in the country, we can do that. And if you get this and you say, you know what, I have questions, we'll be more than happy to help you with any installation questions. Now, remember, you do have to buy it from us for us to help you with those questions. I mean, the amount of phone calls I'm getting lately for people, I bought it somewhere else, but they expect us to help them. And I said, man, you didn't buy it from me. You bought from Joe Schmo, he doesn't know what he's doing, and you want me to help him. I said, buy it from us, it's the same price. Speaking of price, this is one of the most reasonably priced 3-fold covers that's out there. I don't think there's anything better priced, with the quality, because this is a good bang for the buck. It's not just about price, because you can buy a lot of cheap stuff. Problem is you want a good quality product. Now, rough country, I have rough country in my personal truck. I got the lift kit from them. I got my rear bumper. So I like rough country products. If you go into our YouTube channel, there's a whole playlist dedicated to rough country products. So we are an authorized dealer. We like the products, we install the products. So if you have questions on anything, we can help you with. And if you have this Maverik and you say, you know what, I didn't spend a lot of money on this Maverik because the Maverik's a reasonably priced truck. I want a reasonably priced cover, but I want a high quality cover. This one here, great bang for the buck. All in all, I like this product. I think this is a great value, and it looks really good. So you get the best of both worlds. You get a good looking cover, and it functions with the 3-fold. You can put as much stuff as you can in the bed or cover, and we can ship it anywhere in the country, or you come here and have us install it. Again, I'm Chris with C&H Auto Accessories doing a review of the rough country 3-fold on a Ford Maverik. And before I forget, hit that like button. We really appreciate it. And subscribe to the channel. You can see all this new products all the time. Thank you.